Today is October 9th, Wednesday. It is day 13 of recovery after Helene down here in Green River Cove. Please do not come in from Mill Spring or Silver Creek today or for the next 3 to 4 days, possibly longer. North Carolina DOT is working on the road washout at Laurel Branch. You lower green boaters will know it as the Playwave area. Please don't interfere with DOT or the traffic as they're bringing materials and gravel to try to repair the road and make it at least one lane so we can get in and out. This is huge. Please come via the Switchbacks if you're coming to help. On that note, if you're not coming to help and you're a tourist coming to look, please stay out of the cove. We love you. You'll be welcome back after we're through with recovery, but we don't need it. It's concerning a lot of the home folk. We can't tell the difference between disaster tourism and potential looter scouting. Or, you know what I'm saying. Don't come down here if you're not coming to help. And please do reach out to me and others if you are planning to help. If you have a legitimate reason to be here to do something productive, come down to Switchbacks. Do not come in via the lower bridge. That is out. Stay out of DOT's way. They're trying to do us a solid.